So today we'll be discussing about Miller Lite for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for Miller Lite. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But for now, we will be just choosing location one and install it there. Continue with that. It has been installed now, and we are just moving on the agency level. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed Middle for workflows. Here we are, as you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose location one. Here we are on the location one now, and the next step will be moving forward towards the app configuration and get our Middle for workflows configured. Find for the app configuration down below in the navigation bar. It is loading at the moment. Here we are. Find for Miller Lite. Now get it configured. To do that, so you would need the API key. We have to just create an account with Miller Lite, and in the integration section, you can just create your own API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on our Miller Lite account. I have already settled that, and after that, on the platform, like on the basic surface, you can just find for the integrations, and in the integrations you can just find for the API and just generate your own API token. As you can see here, copy that and paste it there and get your Miller Lite for workflows configured. After copy pasting, you can just submit and proceed with that. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automations and to create a workflow to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. Create a workflow. We are here in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new workflow eh, with the new action. These are the variety of actions you can use in your workflow builder and create your own automations. You can just create a field, you can just create a group and create subscriber as well. Let's just create a new group. We are setting an example right now, so that's why I named this like that. Save the whole, and now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact and run this test. Head towards the execution logs. Now, as you can see, the group has already been created here. It is executed now successfully. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.